What's up everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome to the Izzy squad. And if you're returning, I still love you. So I'm sitting here with my Sleek Makeup highlighting palette and my Morphe 505 brush. Let's do this again. And my Morphe 501 brush because we are about to highlight this face and review this palette. I've been quiet for too long. I'm going to be reviewing the Sleek Makeup Solstice highlighting palette. So I'm going to read from the Sleek Makeup website about the palette and what it has to offer. So on the Sleek Makeup website, it says, the Solstice instantly enhances the complexion with a radiant glow. The highly pigmented metallic finishes create a gorgeous, luminous sheen on the skin. This versatile face and body highlighting palette suits all skin tones. Includes 2 baked powders, 1 luxurious cream formula, and 1 silky shimmer powder. Use it on face and body for shimmer and sheen. This is your go-to highlighting palette for super luminescent glow as it's just so pigmented. I was looking on the website for the price of this highlighting palette because my manager got it for me when he went to Playlist Live, not Playlist, it was, what's the other one? VidCon. When he went to VidCon, he met up with Sleek Makeup and sent me these highlighting palettes. So I don't know exactly what the price point is. If I find them, I will pop them in somewhere in this video so you know how much it costs. So let's see how pigmented this really is. I'm gonna swatch this on my hands, turn down the lights a little bit so we can actually get a really good look at it. This is the Solstice, so they're metallic finishes, so in the lights it may be a little bit brighter than it actually is, but I'm gonna try to apply all 4 shades on my face today and we can really see the glow. So let me go do these swatches and we get to it.
What's up everybody? So this is my first voiceover and here's the packaging. It looks really nice. It's gold and it came with the brush, which I talked about earlier. I didn't like it. Now when I was swatching all of these shades, they looked like almost exactly the same. This one was the most intense. Now this one has a slight tint of purple to it, which you can see when I do my nose contour later in the video. And then moving right along, we have this one. It's a champagne color and it came off more sheer, not as intense as that first highlighter swatch that we did. And you can kind of see it's more sheer here as well. And then the last one, which was my favorite, it was this gold highlighter, which did not swatch on the back of my hand how it looked on my face at all.
So if you look, I got highlight on my finger, oh my god, I just opened. So it did come with a brush that was right here, but this is my second time filming this video, and in the first one I did use the brush and I did not like it. It did not blend out well, and on the website it says use your finger to blend out the highlighting palette, so I wonder why they give you a brush but then instruct you to use your finger. That's kind of weird, but...
So the instructions say to blend out with your finger, which is totally different than applying it, so I probably used the brush wrong and it was my fault.
I'm going to be using a Morphe 501 brush, which is a fluffy brush, which is going to be perfect for applying highlighter on my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, and maybe we'll do a little brow bone highlight as well, just to use all 4 colors. So let's start highlighting. I'm going to start with this shade right here because this one was the prettiest and blended the most with my skin. So I'm going to use this one to highlight my cheekbones. I don't know what happened with the audio, but it was not correct, so I'm back for the 3rd time filming this highlighter part of the video. At least I only have to film this part of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my cheekbones and let's look at this highlight. Okay! Yes! Wanna talk about a shimmer, wanna talk about a shine, wanna talk about a highlight? She's here. So it looks really rough on camera, but in person it's not that bad. It is blending into my skin, but it definitely looks a lot harsher on camera. So that definitely shook me, so let's just hop into this one and let's highlight our brow bone. Okay. Ooh. I went a little too heavy on this side. But honey, this is a highlighter video. So if we're not gonna highlight, what are we doing? But baby, do you see these brow bones? A little excessive, but that's okay because I'm a little extra. If you didn't know where my brow bone was, now you do. Now let's pop this purple shade on the tip of my nose and down the bridge of my nose. Okay, that did not need a lot of product at all and my nose is shining! My nose is super highlighted and it's definitely defined. I see the purple tint and the lights is definitely just giving a metallic finish, but hey, it says metallic finishes. The last one is a cream shadow, so I'm gonna apply this on my Cupid's bow and I'm gonna use my finger. This Cupid's bow is about to glow. This Cupid's bow about to glow. This Cupid's bow about to glow. Let's make this Cupid bow glow. Ooh! Oh, I went ham. Oh, I just went ham. She's glowing, but she's also a lip color now. I kind of like this. Even though it's really intense and it's kind of different, the highlighting shades are definitely really blight. They blight, y'all. It's giving me a possible Instagram look. My final thoughts on the Sleek Makeup Solstice Highlighting Palette. It is literally pigmented AF. So the description on the website is completely accurate because as you can see, I am literally glowing in highlight. Definitely pick this up if you're into like metallic, iridescent, luminescent shades that are super bright, super blinding. Get a Sleek Makeup one. And I also like that they are all inclusive with their skin tones too. I was reading a little bit about their philosophy and I thought it was super cool that they started their company with deeper skin tones in mind. Because if you know highlighter shades, some highlighter shades will look super ashy on your skin. I might look ashy once I start reviewing this footage and then I might have a whole different thing I'll pop back in and let you know. Sometimes it'll look ashy in your skin, it doesn't blend well, it sits on top of your skin or it highlights your texture. Looking at my face here, it definitely blended in with my skin. It is very intense, which I keep saying because literally it is blinding in front of me. It definitely did melt into my skin and it's not sitting on top. I don't think my texture is highlighted too much, even though I am growing back in my hair right now, so that's where you get this stubble and that tip of the nose highlight is like super blinding. It's kind of annoying, but hey, we tested out the highlighting palette and all 4 shades are super pigmented. So I mean, I would definitely recommend this one. I do have another highlighter palette from them that I'm gonna do a second video on, and I think those highlighting shades are gonna be a little bit more natural. So if you're not into this type of glow, then definitely check out the next Sleek Makeup review, which I think I'm gonna post next Wednesday. It just makes sense to post them back to back, you know? Alright y'all, well that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this Sleek Makeup highlighter review, leave some comments below letting you know which shade was your favorite. And as always, everybody, stay positive. Don't let anybody tell you you can't do something because you are in charge of your life. Have a great day, everybody. Peace!